What's going on, traders? Thanks for checking out Options Premium Daily. I'm your host, John. Today we're going to cover something really important in thinkorswim, and this is how to set up alerts. Price alerts are really important. What's going to typically happen is, you're going to have a fast moving market. You might have quite a few different equities you're looking at or trades you're seeing setups in. And this will be really important for you to have almost like an automated watchdog, keeping an eye on certain price levels and looking at what's important. And then when you need to, it'll bring it to your attention. So let's take a look in the trade system, and I'll show you how we can set this up here with SPY. So right now we are in the thinkorswim. You can see we got SPY up, SPY. And for an example here, let's say I want to set an alert for when we reach past this 364.38. So maybe I'll just round it to 365. But what I've been looking at lately is we have yet to overcome this fresh high that we had set on 11.9. And that's an important level, at least to me. So I'm going to go here to Market Watch, and you'll see where it says alerts. Actually, I'll click on it too, but if you hover over, it'll drop this down and you can click on alerts. But I'm going to go here and click Market Watch, and you're going to see a few things. So you got kind of a blank screen, but as I go back here in this little bar where my mouse is, I'm going to actually type in the symbol. So I'll type in SPY, and then I hit enter. And now I'm going to see quite a few things pop up. So you'll actually be able to pull up option chains if you would like to. And this is kind of neat because you can set up filters and alerts for, say, if I'm looking for the December 20th or maybe something further out, December 30th. And I can start setting alerts on prices for, these particular strike prices. But let's just say I'm looking at a certain price in the actual underlying stock. So where I'm going to do that here is under the underlying section. I'll close option chain under here. And you're going to want to go probably to like ask. You just click on this here. And now as I click it, this is going to pop up and say create an alert on price. And from here, you can change this also to spreads. These are great if you're, looking for a certain, put credit spread or something along those lines. But I'm actually just going to keep it on stock because I just want price. And when we want this to trigger us is if we're at or above 365. So now I'm going to click here, 365, boom. And I'm going to leave a note, fresh all-time highs. How does volume look? And that's going to be important to me because I want to see how we look as we exceed the fresh highs at 365 or so. And you know what, let me just for fun, I'll say 365.50. There we go. Okay, so there's that, and then you can select how you want to be notified. This is great. You'll get a bell. You can change the sounds to whatever you want. Email, push notification to your mobile devices, also excellent. And these prices, volatility, there's quite a lot you can filter and scan and alert yourself for. So it's really nice. So I'm going to hit create. And what I love is all these conditionals are down here. Your notes are really important. So I always suggest leave really clean, fresh, good notes for yourself. Because sometimes you might be a week or two back, maybe a couple months, and you don't even realize it. And then the better your notes are, that is good. So here I left a note. You can actually see this, and it's good and bad. It shows up on the chart. If I right click, I can basically cancel the alert ever, replace it if I need to, change these, so it is a good system to have, highly recommended. Thank you. That'll be your premium for the day. We'll catch up with you on maybe some trade videos for the evening, and if not, I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye-bye.